Welcome, my essential oil friends. We're in the month of October, and if you're like me, you're probably wondering what the 10% off product is and what doTERRA is giving away for free in their loyalty rewards program. You might have heard that there's a 200-point promotion that's going on. So, what is that, and how can you take advantage of that? As well as there's limited time offerings that doTERRA has that are just available while the supplies last. My name is Caroline Lee. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA, and we're going to just spend a few minutes going over what you need to know and how you can use those products. All right, this October, let's enjoy 10% off of pink pepper 5 ml bottle while the supplies last. Now, if you're like me, you probably look on this slide and you're like, that pink peppercorn looks very similar to the black peppercorn that I use in my kitchen. Now, they are very similar. The color is different. Again, pink peppercorn is related to cashews. So pink peppercorn comes from the pink peppercorn tree that actually is very sacred to the ancient Incas, and indigenous populations would use all parts of that tree for their health needs and benefits. So as we go into describing the benefits of essential oils, you'll notice on the slide that it says A, T, and I. That means we can use it aromatically in our diffusers. We can use this essential oil topically with a carrier oil, and I for internal. Now, there are some amazing studies that have shown that a pink pepper, when you take it internally, can help maintain healthy cellular function and overall cellular health. It can support a healthy metabolism and immune system functions. It also can have calming effects to the nervous system, as well as support healthy blood sugar and cholesterol levels when you're taking it internally. So that might be that you're taking 1 to 2 drops in a glass of water, or you're going to put it in a veggie cap and take it internally that way. We talked about using it topical. So just add a few drops with some fractionated coconut oil or unscented lotion and massage that in areas where you need some calming or some additional sports there. And then you can also diffuse it. In the next slide, I'm going to actually give you lots of diffuser recipes, but think primarily of combining pink pepper with citrus or floral oils. So think about like your wild orange, maybe grabbing some magnolia or lavender to do it. And if you need some more ideas, I've got a whole bunch of recipes on this. Sometimes it's fun to use a little bit more of our collection and play around with the essential oil to have more of a rounded diffusing smell and benefit. So you can see there's lots of beautiful recipes on there: grapefruit, lime, pink pepper, and sunny morning. Just get juices flowing on what you can put in your diffuser with the pink pepper. All right, let's explore what is free for our loyalty rewards customers. Now, when you place a 125-point order or more by October the 15th, you're going to receive a free eucalyptus within your order. So they're just going to throw right there. That's about a $23 value on that. Our eucalyptus actually comes from Australia, where there's over 700 types of fast-growing eucalyptus plants. And doTERRA has selected 5 unique species to actually create this eucalyptus proprietary blend. And we absolutely love this. So let's talk a little bit about the ways that you can use this. If you'll notice right away, we have an A, T, and a D. So that means aromatic. We're going to diffuse it. And T means topical. But when we use it topical, we want to heavily dilute it with some fractionated coconut oil, unscented lotion. Some people may have some sensitivity to it because it's such a strong oil. So think about it, diffusing it for the calming atmosphere, opening up those airways. If you're going to use it topical, it's going to have a soothing sensation on there and open up those respiratory airways. So let's talk a little bit about simple ways that you can do this. Even if you don't have a diffuser, you can put a drop or two in the palms of your hands and then go ahead and take a nice deep breath as well. You can actually even put 1 to 2 drops on the floor of your shower where the water won't drain it away to give you that spa-like experience. You can also use carrier oil or lotion, like I said, to help with the soothing massage, or you can make it an air freshener or a deodorizer with eucalyptus. So you know that I'm a big fan of diffuser recipes because I want to use more of my products. So look at some eucalyptus, lemon, cypress is a great combo. We have grapefruit, eucalyptus, rosemary, as well as eucalyptus, cypress, and lemongrass. So those are some fun ways to spice up your diffuser with eucalyptus. On the right side of the screen, you'll see that we have a DIY, a do-it-yourself recipe for bath salts. So if you like foot soak or you like to soak in the bathtub, use your lavender and eucalyptus essential oil with some Epsom salts for a very soothing and relaxing experience. All right, let's talk a little bit about our 200 point promotion. Now, doTERRA throws these out every couple of months where you can earn free product. Once you get to 200 PV, doTERRA throws this into your packet. So you'll get a free fiber as well as a white grapefruit 5 ml bottle. And this is for every 200 PV order. So if you get to your order is at 400 PV, they'll actually put 2 of these in your order. All right, so let's talk a little about the doTERRA fiber. Did you know that most people only get half the amount of daily fiber that they need, even if they're on healthy diets? So let's talk a little bit about doTERRA's fiber. It does contain lemon essential oil. It's very tasty. There's natural vitamin C. There's a prebiotic blend, and it's a whole food source. So it's very simple to use. You're going to take 1 scoop of that and add it to your water. And then just stir right up. So 10 ounces and drink it immediately. Now, if you're on that new supplement, VMG Plus, you could just add the scoop into those vitamins as well and drink it all together. I did that just the other day. Makes it super easy to get the fiber. And then you're also going to get the white grapefruit. Now, white grapefruit gets its name from its peel, which is literally white. So I wanted to give you some ideas. Again, this is going to be great for diffusion. It's wonderful for the skin, although there is some skin sensitivities to the sun. So I would do this at night. You can add 1 drop to your facial cleansers, your shampoos, even your toothpaste for the cleansing properties of this one. So that our citrus are very uplifting. So this is going to help with mood as well. So I also, again, lots of diffuser recipe ideas. We want to use what we have in our stash. So white grapefruit, bergamot, and Douglas fir, beautiful combination, as well as white grapefruit, citrus bliss, and sandalwood. Or you have a whole bunch of citrus, right? White grapefruit, lime, citrus bliss, and a lemon. I'm a fan of using eucalyptus in my shower, but did you know you could use the white grapefruit as well? These shower melts are super easy. Everyone's got cornstarch for their gravy, so grab a cup of cornstarch, distilled water, and some drops of your white grapefruit, and you can just mold those in on a mini ice cube tray, and then it will be all set to just put it in your shower as you're shaking a shower. It's going to melt as the water hits it and diffuse it beautifully into your shower. So just a fun DIY, very simple recipe that you can do at home. All right. I believe our harvest spice is still a limited time offer. It's still available. If you like pumpkin pie, this is what you want for the last 2 months. And I've been talking about this oil actually in my bathroom right now, but this one is available, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure you grab it. And then lastly, there is another limited time offer. This is the Hoogie blend. I think it's how you say it. It's a big hug in the bottle. Think of comfort and cozy, like a big warm hug. This one is a great one to diffuse. Again, I put some diffuser recipes on there. There's going to be a little stone diffuser, passive diffuser that you can use with this as well. But just note that this is going to be available, limited time offer. All right. If you're like me, you love a certain product, you start sharing it with your friends. So doTERRA does it super easy. You can share a quick link or QR code from your shopping cart on doTERRA.com to your friends and family. And by doing so, you're going to gift them a free membership for 1 year when they use the link or QR code that you send them. And then when they do purchase that, doTERRA gives you some free doTERRA dollars that you can cash in for free product as a thank you for referring them. Now, if you're not a wholesale customer yet and you would like to get started, I would love to work with you. This is just a QR code that gets you into a basic shopping cart. You can throw one or two items in there, get the free membership, get the wholesale pricing, and then of course I'll walk you along the journey and teach you how to use your product. So just note that that is available. doTERRA likes to give some extra goodies. So as you are thinking about what's going to be in your shopping cart, you get spend a 100 PV or point value, you'll get free shipping. You spend $150, you're going to actually choose one of those free gifts. Some people like to get the free diffuser, some like the hand wash. Others might like the whitening toothpaste. So there's two different, there's an On Guard and a spearmint flavored toothpaste, but they like to give you some added freebies based on how much you get started with to decide what is best for you. And I'm happy to work with you. I am so excited for this month of October where we get pink pepper 10% off. We get to enjoy the calming sensation of eucalyptus, and we get our fiber and our white grapefruit, our harvest spice, and our hygge essential oil in our diffuser. So with that, keep oiling, and I will see you next month.